Hello friends, welcome back. If you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you know how wide this phone is and how uncomfortable this phone is holding with bare hands. And if you put a case, the phone becomes still wider and heavier, and this is one of the most uncomfortable phones that I have used in this year. Now when you are buying a case, not everyone looks for the biggest case and the most protection available for the device. Few people like me do not drop their phones quite frequently, and I look for a very slim case which doesn't add any bulk to the phone. Now after reviewing the whole Amazon website on India, I found this EgoTude case which fits my bill. This case is very slim, it is cheap, and it prevents scratches on your phone. Now checking out the case itself, you can see that the case is absolutely slim and flush with the phone, goes completely flush with the switches of this iPhone, which makes it slightly difficult to activate the switches. Apart from that, one point I wanted to stress was the precision with which this case is made. Now I'll show you the speaker grill. You can see the speaker grill down here, and I'll try to remove the case and show you how tight fitting like a glove this case fits with the phone. Now while refitting, you can see that the skin is very tight. Now while fitting, keep an eye on the holes of the case when it gets aligned to the speaker grill or the holes of the speaker. Now as you can see, the holes are exactly aligned properly to the speaker grills on the iPhone. So overall, I like the color of the case and the slim profile that it provides to the iPhone. But another area of concern is whether the case provides some kind of protection to the lens elements on the back cameras of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here on the back side of the case, you can see there is a slight elevation, so which covers the camera elements and prevents scratches when you keep the phone lying on your table. So if you are like me who doesn't drop their phones a lot and wants a slim case just to prevent few scratches here and there and very minimal drop protection, then this is the case to go for it. I will be putting links in the description. You can buy from there. So if you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.